Algebra 1 EOC practice test number 19. John has a goal to ride his bike at least 100 miles this summer. John has ridden 12 miles thus far. There are 40 days left in the summer. Write an inequality to represent the average distance d in miles John must ride each day for the rest of the summer to achieve his goal. Write your answer in the space provided of your answer document. Okay, a few things that we need to see. He wants to have at least 100 miles, so that means 100 miles or more by the end of summer. He's already rode 12 miles, and there's 40 days left in summer. And, really important, write an inequality. So it's not an equation, it's going to be an inequality. But we're going to write it similar to an equation. It's just going to have a greater than or less than sign instead to make it an inequality. All right, so we're going to use D for distance. And so we can start by saying, let's say that he's got 12 miles so far. So we know he's already done 12 miles. And we know there's 40 days left. So 40 times some distance, 40 miles times some distance, plus the 12 miles he already has ridden, has to be at least, so we want greater than or equal to 100 miles. So when you say, Mom, can I have at least $20 to go to the movies? I mean, you're hoping for $20, but if she gives you 25 or 30, that's even better, right? So he's hoping for 100 miles, but maybe he'll get more than 100 miles over the summer to achieve his goal. So write your answer in the space provided of your answer document. So 40D plus 12 greater than or equal to 100 is probably the best way to write an inequality for this statement. It's not the only way, but that's probably the best way. All right, that's the answer for number 19.